Hey everyone, got another video showing more of the Balisong collection. Guess this will be part 3, so if you haven't seen the other 2 parts, you should check them out. Recently got the new premium white replicant in. I had ordered the white one and the black one in 2 separate orders, so the white one took longer to get in. So yeah, the difference between the premiums and the standard is, the green anodized liners and the pocket clip. I believe there's 50 of each, 50 of the blacks and 50 of the whites released, so it's a pretty limited run, but they're pretty cool. Here's the black one, same thing with the liners and the pocket clip. I think I like the black one better, personally. The white one sold a lot faster than the black ones, but I still prefer the black one. This is a benchmade 62T. The 6X series has stainless steel handles, so these are pretty heavy and not the greatest for flipping if you prefer like a lighter knife. This one is the 67. It has the recurve Tonto blade. The blade's made out of D2. This one is older benchmade, some model 239. I believe the handles are made out of Zamac. Got a Weehawk blade. And this one was seconded by the manufacturer, meaning it didn't pass quality control. With this one, the latch pin was punched off center, so because of that it didn't pass quality control, and actually makes it a little rare, I think, because they weren't really supposed to be released, but somehow they always ended up getting out the door. This is a Microtech Metal Mark. Aluminum handles, channel construction, and it's got a spring latch. This one is not very good for flipping. The handles are like really fast and they just want to like fly out of your hand if you try flipping it, so I wouldn't recommend buying one if you're looking for a flipper. This is the Spyderco Spiderfly. This one is the VG10, has the VG10 blade, opposed to, I think the other ones had the 440C blades. The VG10 was the first ones released, so there's less of them out there, so they're the rare of the two. This is a Spyderco Small Fly. It's got the black G10. They also made them with blue G10 handles, and I think they made some with like camouflage colored handles. This one is the benchmade 53 Mangus. G10 handles. I believe this one runs on bearings, so the handles move like super fast. This one's not really ideal for flipping. Like the metal market just wants to fly out of your hands. This design was originally thought up by Marlowe, so it's got Marlowe design on the back of it. He's a custom maker, and yeah, he designed this knife. This one's from the 80s brass channel. I believe it was made by Valor. It's got golden serpent on the blade. It's kind of cool to have old 80s balisongs. Just kind of cool to see how much they've changed over the years. This is Filipino handmade, and it has a crisp blade. This is another Filipino handmade. This one is made by Ona, who's a really big maker out in the Philippines. It's got like the eagle tang. This is actually the nicest Filipino handmade I've seen. Oh yeah, and he also puts his name on the bottom of the latches, so that's one way to know if it's one that he made or not. Another Filipino handmade. This one's kind of unique. It's the blade's longer than the handles, so it's got the latch just on one side of the handles, and yeah, it's just kind of weird, unique design. Thought it was pretty cool though. This is a BRS B400. Has the aluminum handles. Now that they don't make the Chimeras anymore, these are like the balisongs you can get now that are like in the $100 range or a little bit under. So the Chimeras were a lot better. This is the B200. I actually like this one a lot more than the B400. I think it flips a lot better, even though the G10's kind of rough on your hands. Just seems like a better knife to me. And it has first production run on the blade, but it's really hard to see. This is M-Tech Twist. These are like cheapos. Like, I think I paid $20 for this one. I'm not sure what the original retail was. They're done by Daryl Ralph. And yeah, this is a little mini Filipino handmade. Sometimes you get these, like, if you get a big one, they'll throw in one of these little tiny ones. Yeah, it's quite a bit smaller than the other ones. So yeah, there's the balisongs. Also get this balisong sword. It's pretty cool, but yeah, can't really flip it. But thanks for watching.